10 must-have kitchen gadgets you can't live without. A kitchen is not just a place where meals are made. It's where culinary dreams come to life. To transform your cooking experience from ordinary to extraordinary, you need the right tools. These must-have kitchen gadgets are here to save you time, enhance your dishes, and make your time in the kitchen not just productive but genuinely enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner finding your way around, these gadgets are game changers for every cook. KitchenAid 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer is a dream come true for anyone who loves baking or whipping up creamy dishes. This versatile tool goes beyond mixing. With 9 different speeds, you can easily control the consistency of your ingredients. From gentle stirring to high-speed whipping, it's perfect for anything from delicate batters to stiff doughs. The digital controls make it incredibly precise, ensuring that every mix comes out exactly as you want it. What sets this hand mixer apart is its lightweight and ergonomic design. Holding it for long baking sessions is comfortable and strain-free. The attachments are easy to switch out, giving you versatility to tackle various tasks like blending, whipping, and kneading. Whether you're preparing fluffy cakes, creamy mashed potatoes, or stiff meringues, this gadget is an indispensable addition to your kitchen arsenal. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Food Mill. The OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Food Mill is the ultimate tool for creating silky purees, smooth sauces, and lump-free mashed potatoes. This food mill allows you to process fruits and vegetables effortlessly, straining out seeds and skins to leave you with a flawless texture. The ergonomic handles ensure comfort while you turn the mill, and its stainless steel construction guarantees durability for years of use. This food mill is a must-have for anyone who loves homemade baby food, soups, or applesauce. Its 3 interchangeable discs let you control the fineness of your purees, giving you endless possibilities in the kitchen. Forget about store-bought sauces. This tool helps you create healthier and more flavorful meals from scratch. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since it disassembles easily for washing. ThermoPro Lightning Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro Lightning Meat Thermometer ensures your meat is cooked to perfection every single time. With its lightning-fast reading capability, this thermometer gives you accurate temperatures in just a few seconds. Whether you're grilling steaks, roasting a chicken, or baking fish, it ensures that your meals are not only delicious but also safe to eat. The sleek design and backlit screen make it incredibly user-friendly, even in low-light conditions. Its waterproof body means you can easily wash it without worrying about damage. This isn't just a tool for carnivores. It's also perfect for checking the temperature of baked goods or beverages. Compact and precise, it's a gadget no kitchen should be without. Mo1 All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. The Mo1 All-in-One Vegetable Chopper turns tedious chopping tasks into a breeze. With its multiple interchangeable blades, this chopper lets you dice, slice, and julienne vegetables in seconds. It's perfect for prepping large quantities of ingredients for salads, stir-fries, or stews without the hassle of using a knife and cutting board. Its design is both practical and safe, featuring a built-in handguard to protect your fingers. The container collects your chopped veggies neatly, reducing mess and saving time on cleanup. If you're looking to make meal prep quicker, more efficient, and less messy, this chopper is your ultimate kitchen assistant. Cactus Cutter K5 Electric Kitchen Grinder. The Cactus Cutter K5 Electric Kitchen Grinder takes your grinding needs to the next level. Whether you're grinding spices, coffee beans, or nuts, this gadget does it all with incredible speed and precision. The powerful motor ensures a consistent grind every time, giving you control over the texture from coarse to fine. Its compact size makes it a perfect fit for even the smallest kitchens. And the sleek design adds a touch of modern elegance to your countertop. Beyond grinding, this gadget can be used for creating homemade spice blends or nut butters, expanding your culinary possibilities. With its durability and versatility, the Cactus Cutter K5 is a gadget you'll rely on daily. Kunreichen Epicurean Garlic Press. The Kunreichen Epicurean Garlic Press transforms the often annoying task of mincing garlic into a quick and effortless process. Its sturdy stainless steel construction crushes cloves with ease, extracting every bit of flavor while leaving behind minimal waste. Unlike other garlic presses, this one requires minimal effort, making it a favorite for those with weak hands or arthritis. Cleaning is just as easy as using it, thanks to its removable sieve. Whether you're making garlic-infused sauces, marinades, or roasted garlic bread, this press delivers the perfect texture every time. It's a small but mighty tool that no kitchen should be without, bringing convenience and bold flavor to your dishes. Durai Home Dish Pad. The Dry Home Dish Pad is a game changer for keeping your countertops dry and organized. Made with eco-friendly diatomaceous earth, this pad rapidly absorbs water, preventing puddles from forming under drying dishes, pots, or glasses. Its sleek, modern design blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor while being highly functional. This dish pad isn't just about drying, it also prevents bacteria buildup by wicking away moisture quickly. Unlike traditional dish racks or towels, it's incredibly easy to clean and maintain. Durable and effective, the Dry Home Dish Pad is the perfect blend of form and function, ensuring your kitchen stays hygienic and clutter-free. Stir-Mate Automatic Pot Stirrer. The Stir-Mate Automatic Pot Stirrer takes the hassle out of stirring soups, sauces, or risottos. This hands-free device attaches to your pot and keeps your ingredients moving evenly, preventing burning and ensuring consistent texture. Its rechargeable battery means you can use it for multiple cooking sessions without the need for constant recharging. What's great about the Stir-Mate is that it gives you the freedom to multitask in the kitchen. While it stirs your pot, you can focus on chopping veggies, setting the table, or simply enjoying a cup of tea. Whether you're simmering a hearty stew or creating a delicate custard, this gadget is like having an extra pair of hands in the kitchen. Sopito French Fry Cutter. The Sopito French Fry Cutter is the ultimate tool for creating perfectly uniform fries at home. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction can slice through potatoes effortlessly, producing restaurant-quality results every time. With its ergonomic handle, even large batches of fries are easy to prep without straining your hands. This cutter isn't limited to potatoes. It's also great for slicing carrots, zucchini, and other veggies. Whether you're preparing a side dish for a family dinner or making snacks for a party, this gadget saves you time and effort while delivering impressive results. It's a must-have for fry enthusiasts and health-conscious cooks alike. Berlinzo Premium Clear Ice Ball Maker. The Berlinzo Premium Clear Ice Ball Maker elevates your beverages by creating crystal-clear ice spheres. These slow-melting ice balls not only look stunning but also keep your drinks chilled without diluting them quickly. Whether you're serving cocktails, whiskey, or iced coffee, this gadget adds a touch of sophistication to your drinks. Made with durable, food-safe silicone, this ice maker is easy to use and clean. Simply fill it with water, freeze it, and pop out the perfectly round ice balls. Its sleek design fits easily in your freezer, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. For those who love entertaining or enjoying a perfect drink at home, the Berlinzo Ice Ball Maker is a must-have. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.